Vlog lang tayo dun sa nakita natin sa Instagram o sa IG na ah, USA basketball men's team lineup sa Paris Olympics itong ah, July 2024 or July 2024. So yung lineup nila is si Bam Adebayo, Devin Booker, ito first time sa Olympics si Steph Curry, si Anthony Davis, Kevin Durant, Anthony Edwards, Joel Embiid, Tyrese Halliburton, LeBron James, Kawhi Leonard, Jason Tatum at Drew Holiday. So makita na natin tong lineup na to, parang pinalakas. Kumbaga kumuha na sila ng may reputasyon at yung marunong manalo. No, aside from lahat naman to may international experience pero at least dito meron na silang players na nakapaglaro na sa Olympics at nanalo na ng gold medal. Except siguro kay Curry, kay Tyrese, tsaka kina Kawhi Leonard, ito yung mga first time sa Olympics. At tsaka ito ata si Kawhi Leonard, first international experience nito. So, maganda, malakas tong lineup na to. At least, meron silang defense in the perimeter defense in Kawhi Leonard and Drew Holiday. So, may defense na yung kanilang backcourt at saka yung kanilang guard and wing position. Kasi ito naman si Bam, alam naman natin, known shot blocker ito. Di ba? So, si Anthony Edwards pa, maasahan mo rin yan both ends. So, yun lang po.